Hi, Tenugui fans. Oh, it's summer. It's so hot every day. Hope you are doing well. Alright, so today I want to show you actually the furoshiki. It's not Tenugui, it's furoshiki. Furoshiki is more like a wrapping cloth, and you can carry items. You can use eco bag or gift wrapping. Just a versatile Japanese cloth. So this cloth, furoshiki, is actually waterproof. Even you can carry water with this furoshiki. So today I use this on my way work and carrying cold sparkling water. And see, and then let's make a little bag. This is a very regular way. Fold in triangle and make one single knot. Yep. And then let's do another side. One single knot. Yep. Alright, make sure same size. Like flip over. Yes. And then I put this cold chill water inside, and then here we can tie that. So make sure stay well, right? Then I made here one and double knot, two. There you go, and there you go. And put this so underarm keep really cold even you're walking outside. A cool summer. Alright, try. Alright, bye everyone. Have a wonderful summer.